Hey everybody, how you doing? We're back. Welcome back to the second show here today for what's today's date? Oh, I don't know. Let's make it up. Thursday, May the 20th, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I have so much fun here. I am so inept. I mean, I am technically useless. I've got this beautiful brand new MacBook Pro, and I use it for all my telecasts, and I use it for everything. And I have right now done something, and I don't know how to undo it. I'm live, and I have all these tabs going across the top of my screen, which I like. But I've done something because I now need to use my mouse and move the little arrow up to the top of the computer screen to get this bar to show up that shows the time and the date and my Apple logo and all these other things. And I don't know how to get it to come back. It used to always just be there, I don't know. Does anybody know how to do that? I don't know. I get, it's only a $6,000 computer. So, it's like, it's not important. It's just that I'm always looking at the time and I see the date there and I kind of like having this stuff up there. And now I just move the mouse down like a half an inch and it just disappears. It just disappears. And I have this full screen and it's great. It was working. I can see you. You can see me. It's all working. I don't know how to get that to come back. I maybe on a PC, but not on an Apple. I have no idea. Anyway, any clues? By all means, if you're members and you know the answer, this is your trivia question. How does Bruce make his thing come back so that the tabs are just a little lower and that thing stays up there with his Apple Find thing and those thingies? You technical people out there, you're out there. Anyway, thank you everybody. How you doing? Nice to see you. What's happening in the markets? I know you're dying to know. I'm dying to know. How's it going to go? How's it going to end? We're up 207 points on the Dow. Good day. S&P up 45 points. NASDAQ up 229. Compared to yesterday, this is a good day. We've been up all day. The Dow around just short of noon hit the high of the day. Broke through that 4,200 range. Then kind of backed off to the 34,050 range or so. Now we're back to 34,115. So it's good. It's better. There you have it. Anyway, open system preferences, it says. He says, open system preferences, click on the general icon, uncheck auto hide, automatically hide and show the menu bar. Bruce, maybe your full screen. Hey, hi. Open system preferences, click. Well, how do I do that? How do I open system preferences? Do I go to the top there and I hit that button over there? Oh, I see system preferences. I see this thing. And then, what was I supposed to do? A dock menu bar or something? What was I supposed to do again? See, now I hit that button, but now you disappear with all the info on it. So what does it say again? Click on the general icon, uncheck auto hide. Click on the general icon, uncheck auto hide. Okay, let's. Oh, this is so confusing for an old man like me. Let's try this as system preferences. And general. Where's the general? I don't know. Does that start with the letter G somewhere? General. Unclick auto hide. Yeah, sure. It should just be there, right? Should just be there. Yeah. No. I don't see what it is you're saying I'm supposed to find. No idea. No idea. No. Sorry, no. Don't know. I'm back. And the other thing that happens, of course, is on the bottom of the computer, I have all these icons that are supposed to be there. They disappear too. So I have to bring the mouse down to get them to show up. And that's what they do. And then they go away when I move the mouse away. So I don't know. How to make a YouTube video and crash Gold, Jerry. I don't know. I'll at least you know how to turn on your speakers. I got that. No, it's in the dock and menu bar. They say. Check out Uncle Bruce's face. He's just like, system preferences, dock and menu bar. Help me. Bruce, what's wrong? I'm a Mac expert. I'm not. Oh, it's so much fun. The other thing is, how did I do it? How did I do it in the first place? That's what really burns my butt, is how I actually did that, to make that do that, when I didn't want that to be doing that thing. that did that thing. It just these computers just well, we're just gonna do that now. Oh no, you're not. I don't want you doing that. I don't want you changing. This is when I hate updates. Like I can't stand it. They have we have updates. No, don't update. I just figured this thing out. Don't give me more. No, because now I have to unlearn everything I've done and relearn, and I don't have time. I'm too busy being a YouTuber for my video people. It's not fair. GameStop, $170.20. Up $1.37 is where we're at here. Like I said, the Dow's up 221. That's good to see. Poor Bruce. IPOE at 1828, up 85 cents today. And AMC is just not having a good day, down 23 cents to 1242. Gore's Holdings having a great day. It's just a wonderful day. Up $1.68 to 1278. Very good day. Practically a 15% gain today. And Gore's Holdings has traded 984,000 shares. The only announcement I found was they hired an IR person, investor relations head, which is great. I mean, that you need that. All public companies need an investor relations. So they've hired a brand new investor relations person who's going to handle it, and it's working. Whatever she's doing, it's working. Now, keep in mind about Gore's Holdings. As excited as we are that it's $12.77, up $1.67, that's exciting. But don't get too excited, because the high and the low of this stock in its history already, it has been as high as $28. So the Matterport deal that is going to, Matterport is taking this company over, and Matterport is on fire. It's really doing well. The stock has already been $28. It's still only $12.77. This thing is a super steal even here. Up until $20, you can buy all you want, pick up options, get this stock, help yourself, because this thing is going to go. It's going to do very well. There you have it. So I'm happy to see it doing what it's doing, but I'm telling you, we're nowhere near done. All right, fantastic. Over on IPOE, a number of you were kind enough to send me the SEC stuff on SoFi. They're making a bunch of money. They're growing. They're expanding. They're just exploding. It's all good. It's just all really good. In plain English, good. So pick up the IPOE all you want. 1832 right now. $27 book value minimum when this thing is listed and combined with the SoFi, which will be in a week and a half. And they'll go beyond that. It'll go into the 30s, and you'll thank me later. And there you go. So, okay, very good. GameStop, 170.53. For the last, 3 hours? I mean, since noon, it was in the 168 range to the 172 range and sitting at 169. Was it just it's just doing well, 170.48 on really quiet volume, 2.1 million. Like, there's nothing happening on GameStop because they're not talking right now. Why? Probably not ready to talk. They're going to be talking very shortly, a lot. We have to wait until between now and June, 9th or 10th for the annual meeting. Three things are coming out minimum. The annual meeting, the first quarter financials, and a new CEO is going to be announced, with perhaps other staff beyond that. So I'm sure they're very busy behind the scenes. They're keeping an eye, a corner of their eye, watching me from time to time. Hi, everybody at GameStop. How you doing? Love you guys. And they're doing, I'm sure they're doing really, really well, but they're not right now. They're not talking. So the shares are kind of in a suspended animation here. We're here at 170. We're just kind of, okay. We were as high as 189 the other day, and we're down to 150 the other day, a little while ago. And here we're at 170, and we're all primed up. We're all ready to just go, but it's not, I guess it's just not time right now to talk. And so we're just kind of waiting for something to break up. Anyway, there you have it. 1825 on IPOE. They jumped around now for the last 2 hours between sort of 1825 and 1855 or something like that. But we're holding an 82-cent gain on 4.8 million shares of IPOE. Thank you very much. It is very, very good. Tony, you want me to read your message in chat? Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Bruce. Bruce, system preferences, dock and menu bar. Click the automatically hide and show the menu bar at the bottom of the menu window. Okay, dock and menu bar, system preferences, dock and menu bar. Click automatically hide and show the menu bar at the bottom of the menu window. It sounds so simple, doesn't it? It's just so simple. Right first, dock and menu bar. Click on it. Okay, dock and menu bar. Dock and menu bar. Click on the bottom. Automatically hide the menu. Oh, I see this bot. I see it. Okay. Done that. Okay. That's it. You don't have to. You don't have to do anything else. You just okay. Come out of there. Now what? Oh, wait. Oh, hold it. Oh, is this working? Not quite. Well, it's kind of. It looks more familiar, but it's not as familiar as I saw. Still haven't got all that stuff there. Still have to move my mouse to get this to work. But it did something. I don't know. Did it do anything? I don't know. This boomer just lost. Hi everybody. How you doing? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the Lost Boomer. What can I say, guys? Can you make that font larger? Yeah, just they should stay talking. They should stay talking. I don't know what that means. Welcome all to struggling Bruce. Bruce's face. I sent you an email with pictures, Bruce. Let's take a look at that. I sent you an email with pictures. Here, open system preferences. Click on the general icon. Automatically hide menu bar. There's a picture. That okay? I just did that, and it's still the same. Yeah. Don't know. I just look at Bruce's face. 155 thumbs up. If you're enjoying this boomer having a tough time figuring out how his computer works, I deserve more than 155 thumbs ups for this agony that I'm going through. You guys should be all over these thumbs ups right now. I appreciate that. Thank you, all of you. What can I say? The Dow is up 253, S&P up 49. NASDAQ up 240 points. We'll take that. That's all good. Watching Bruce not knowing how his computer works, priceless. 61.95 a barrel for oil, down $1.41. I'm sure you're going to see your oil prices drop 20 cents a gallon every day for a week now. Isn't that how that works? I thought that's how it works in the United States. It doesn't work like that. Darn it. Gosh darn the heck. They take their sweet time, don't they? Anyway, yeah, oh my gosh, I can't do that. You see, I used to be able to take the bar where all those tabs are at the top. I used to be able to take the bar, grab it with a mouse, and I could move it down. And then I could then see underneath what was underneath there. But I can't do that. I don't have that that thing. I can do it. I can move it up and down when I quasi minimalize it, but I can't when I expand it again. It goes to, I guess, full screen or something like that, and it just takes the whole thing over, and all that, and now I can't move it, and I don't know what to do. I don't know. Somebody knows. Resident Flea has the answer. See, there you go. That's I have no idea. No idea how this works. You're full screen for sure. Yeah, I'm full screen. All right. You got that right. Hi, Uncle Bruce calling Apple support. Hi, this is Uncle Bruce. Hello. They hung up on me again. Oh gosh, no. Yep, Uncle Bruce sounds like in full screen mode. Yeah, that's right. I don't want to be in full screen mode. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to undo that. Don't know what button to push. Don't know. No. Yeah, you can't see below the buttons because they're on auto hide. Great. This is so damn endearing. No. VGAC chart looks strange for today. For all the time. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a strange one. This is today. Excuse me. This is VGAC chart today. It's just between a penny. What, 9.97, 9.88, 9.98. That's what it's doing. Here's the last week. Look at this chart the last week. Look at that. Right across 9.97, 9.98. You think they're not letting it move? You think that they're holding it up? Yeah, I would say. It's not going anywhere right now. They're not letting this stock go anywhere until this deal's done. That's what's happening. Gore's Holdings is going for $13, $12.96 right now. Look at the one-day chart on your Gore Holdings stock, kids. That's your stock. Look at that right at the top there, $12.90. It's going to $13. Pretty awesome sauce stuff, man. This is great. You kids are going to get so rich. I'm going to love this. I'm going to have very wealthy viewers. It's going to be a whole new channel. I'm going to have to have I'm going to have to wear a tuxedo to talk to you guys because you're going to, you expect me all to be dressed up. And after all, you're so wealthy. Cheeto Spagito, thank you, Cheeto Spagito, for this donation. No, Bruce, try pressing the F12 button. I don't know. What is that? There's no F12 button. Get out of here. Cut that out, you guys. Oh, man. Uncle Bruce needs happy time in a sippy cup. That's what he needs. Bruce needs a nap. Oh, man. Bruce, turn your computer on, then off now. Laugh. Just kidding. Way to go, Toonie. You screwed up his computer. Sometimes I wonder what would Bruce do without us members. Sleep? I don't know. Are you on a PC? No, this is an Apple MacBook Pro. Oh, man, get a PC, Uncle Bruce. No, I had a PC. I unlearned all that. Now I have to learn all this. Oh, man. You should have seen me the first 2 weeks of this computer. I was just, oh, gosh. I was using the PC to look at YouTube videos, how to operate this computer, like how to turn it on, how to adjust stuff. Yeah. Oh, it was bad. Okay. On Mac, try Command and Control and F keys altogether. Oh, I'm not. You're not tricking me. You're not tricking me into stuff. No, I'm not doing it. Can you talk about VGAC and why you like it, please? These other SPACs are taking off, and even though it has a date announced, it's not moving. Consider buying calls. It will move real soon. You have a moment here. You have like a matter of days to get your calls on VGAC. Do not dilly-dally. Get them now while the stock is sitting here dead as a possum. Get them now, because this stock is soon to be let go. They're just waiting for the votes to be tabulated for the approval of the deal. The minute that is done, and it's done by the brokerage firms and all the computers, and it's all online, and there's no human beings looking at chads or anything like that. It's all being done mechanically. This thing will be let go, and then watch out. Richard Branson and his worldwide audience of followers will be following this stock, because he's going to be talking about it every day, everywhere. Watch out. This VGAC is days away, like 3, 6, 9, like really soon, and it'll be gone. And you're going to go, what an idiot I am. I could have had those calls when the stock was at $9.97. Now it's at $14. What am I doing? Get them now. Don't fool around here. I'm trying to help you. Oh, my. 23andMe, it's going to be huge. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be awesome. You're going to love it. You're going to thank me later. Oh, man. I'm telling you, GHVI high today. I tell you, it's been crazy. It's been fantastic. We're going to be busy, kids. We are going to be really, really busy really soon. We have a lot going on here. This is going to be exciting stuff. You guys are going to get rich. It's ripping time. Where's the any key anyway? Hold down the control and tap. Button burger also times must zoom screen. Not a trick. It's how you enter full screen. I'm not reading these anymore. I don't trust you guys. Well, I trust you, but I don't have time to believe it. Star Wars with Bruce. Just catching up. How did you fix the issue with the bar? No. Jesus, Bruce, they're not tricking you, okay? Green shirt. New member, Rodrigo. I can believe in this. This I trust. New member, Rodrigo. Welcome to the show, the channel, the group. You're great, man. I really appreciate it. I've had all kinds of fun the last week. Just tons of fun. Not how do I say this? The fun that I really had was on Saturday when I noticed that YouTube and Google were screwing up on my channel analytics, and I wasn't being credited on my account for all the new members that were joining and all the members who were rejoining. I was getting nothing, and all your super chats. None of the super chats were coming into my account. Nothing, and I'm just sitting there going, well, they got the money. I mean, Google has the money from you guys. Why aren't they sending my share into my account? Because every day they update my account how I'm doing. So I had to do the old, chat thing online with those guys, because you can't phone anybody. And they said, we'll open up a thing and we'll look into it. We'll get back to you. So they sent me an email saying, here's your case number. We're on it. That was Saturday. Nothing on Sunday. Monday, nothing. So Tuesday, I wrote, I said, anything else? I mean, now I haven't been paid for I hadn't been paid for the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th. Today, this was the what's the day now? Today's the 20th now. See, I want to know what day it is. I have to now move my mouse up to the top of the screen. See, it's the 20th. Move it back down. It goes away. But on my iPad, it's always there. I can always count on my iPad because I don't let it update. Anyway, so for like 5-6 days, nothing, and it was just really upsetting me. Anyway, last night, it started to light up. And it all kind of caught up in hodgepodge. I think it's accurate, but I can't be 100% sure because I'm so busy doing what I'm doing. I don't have time to count every member that came in and verify it's all there. You just have to kind of hope they got it. Anyway, I think we're okay now, but now I have this thing with my computer, so I don't know, guys. What can I say? Got 3 call contracts on VAGC at $10 straight. There you go. Well done. Get them now. Get them now while it's deader than the doornail. Get it now. Rod, welcome to the channel. Everyone's going to welcome you in here. There's Rodrigo. Thank you. I'm glad you're here, Rod. Thank you. I just got an iMac Air last month after a lifetime of never. I am part of the bushel now. Now laughing out loud. Okay. New members have now subscribed to continue Bruce with the how to operate an Apple tutorial. Thank you. That's why I have members. You got to help me keep this computer going. Love Uncle Bruce. Finally time to join. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you. My thought was basically this: looking like a primed up easy play, just pulled the trigger, laugh out loud. Okay. Dave, need more thumbs ups for Bruce. Okay. Let's see. Click Apple logo, top left. Click about this Mac. That version of MAOS, is it showing? Oh, you're scaring me now. Apple logo, top left. Yeah, where is it? There it is. Yeah, and then click about this Mac. What version of thing is showing? Okay, about this Mac. And what is it showing? Mac OS Big Sur. That's what it is. That's what it's showing. Okay, that's what it has. Does that help you? I like Apple, but it's overpriced. What platforms people using to buy BTAC? I don't know. What is BTAC? I have no idea what that is. Can Yoko sing "We Three Kings"? How far do you think we should look at BGAC calls? How far out? Well, if you can get to the end of the year and beyond, it would be a good idea. Just give yourself lots of time. I mean, get 10s, 11s, 12s, 1250s, whatever they are. Get them to January, February, March of next year, something like that would be a good idea. I mean, if you sell them in 3 months, you want to sell them with a lot of time left on them for extra, for all that premium you still got. And hopefully the volatility will even climb, which will give you even more money. So yeah, sure. Arico, Stockmarket Bruce, bring your mouse to the top of the screen like you have, and click the green bubble with the diagonal arrows. That's all there is to it. Oh no, see, that doesn't work. Yeah, there's the green arrows. Yeah. I click on that. It says if I put my mouse over it, it says exit full screen, and then below that it says tile window to the left of screen, the window to right of screen, move to Bruce's iPad. But I click the button, and then it just shrinks to a little zit in the middle. So then I hit it again, and it comes back, zit, and then I find it, and I go over it, and I hit exit full screen, and it just goes zit. The whole background shows up in this little sliver of the show. No, it's not working. It's gone kooky. We're kooky here. Well, I trust you, but I don't have time to believe you. You're going to have to use that one. I trust you. I don't believe you. Rodrigo Lopez, the baseball player? Is that who you are? Soren, tap command button that will zoom your screen out again. Thank you from Olga Ovidio. Olga, thank you, Olga. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. That's a donation on PayPal. Thank you. Olga, I appreciate that. Michael Lantaha, Ashley, glad I polished up those dusty SPACs last week after leaving him in the corner the last few months. There you go. Bruce, Boeing is finally going up. Is that right? It's been a while. Boeing, how's it doing? Up 61 cents. No, it's up 352 to 227.94. Woohoo! What a run. And Micron is up $1.32, and Intel is up 83 cents. It's going up too. Moderna is going up a little bit, and DraftKings are going up a little bit. What else is moving up? Twitter's moving up a little bit, and Nvidia. There we are. Cisco's positive now, at least. Costco is up $4. JP Morgan is up 54 cents. There's a little bit of upward movement here and there, and here and there, and here and there, and there and here. A little bit here and there. Apple's up 297. Microsoft up $4. The Dow up 295. That's a good thing. We're happy about that. IPOE up 77 cents to 18.20. GameStop at 169.91, not going up. And then AMC up a little, but it's still down 22 cents on the day. And Gore's Holdings 12.89 now. High of the day 12.97 on 1 million shares. Pretty good on Gore's. That'll go much higher than where it's at here. I picked up last week 14 VGAC December 1250 calls for 75 cents. They're slightly lower now. If you haven't got them yet, get them. There you go. That is a good buy. Yes, 75 cents for 1250s for the December. Sure. Way to go. Way to go. That is an epic quote. I believe you, but I don't trust you. I trust you, but I don't believe you. How about that? Trey had the same issue, Uncle Bruce. Oh, Trey. Oh, gosh, Trey. Hang in there, Trey. Uncle Bruce fixes care on the weekends, guys. I can hear him yelling, how the heck you pop the hood? MacBook Pro, more like MacBook Amateur. There you go. Bruce, when these options start maturing and we decide to sell, do we just list them at the ask price? What you will do is you'll see how the stock trades. You'll notice as the stock fluctuates up and down, the options will fluctuate too. And if you see a market, let's say you bought them at 75 cents and they're at like $10. The market is 10 to 11 or 10 to 10.25 or something like that. Maybe you'll offer them at 10.20, just below the offer, and just keep them there for a day order, see how they go. Make sure you don't sell them on the last day that they expire. You don't want to do that. Who gives anything about Trey? Well, Trey's an okay guy. I don't mind Trey. Trey's all right. Nothing wrong with Trey. Trey's working hard. He's trying to get by. Trey, how you doing, buddy? Hang in there, man. You're working hard. I know you're working hard. I'm working hard. We're both working hard. Anyway, there you go. iPad crash. End today's show and go early to bed. Oh gosh. Can you ask Siri live on the air? Oh no, I'm not doing that with you guys. No. Maybe you should buy a watch, Uncle Bruce. You were in the business, right? I don't wear a watch. I use computers, so my time is on here. My phone has it. My iPad has the time up here, but not my computer. I have to now move my mouse up to the top of the screen to get it to show this blue bar, and there it is right there. I wish it would sit there all the time, but I don't know how to do that. Welcome, Rodrigo and family. I don't let it update. There you go. I don't trust updates either. I think they're evil. They're absolute tricks to screw you over. I don't believe it. I think you should just set it and forget it. Man, I miss Napster. Welcome to the Apple Bushel, Ashley. Royal Caribbean is up. Would buying IPOE or VGAC on margin, being that they're close to merger, a good? No, don't buy on margin. Don't buy on margin. Don't do that. Welcome, Rodrigo. Erico, I didn't say we should care about him as a person. I stated the objective fact that he shared a payment issue this past month with Bruce. Trey is fine by me. Just needs to get some GameStop. He's an okay guy. He's all right. He believes. Hi, Larry. You're scaring me now, says Derek. David, click the green button on the top left-hand corner of the window and take it out of full screen mode. Oh, I try that, and it goes in. Then it goes into a narrow little column like this. It just squeezes down to like a 3-inch wide band down the middle of the screen. That's what happens when I do that. I don't know what's going on. My wife and I work in film TV. She works in SCC decorating. They started using Matterport. I'm not laughing at this message. I'm laughing at myself. It's so pathetic. How do I turn this on? Sorry, I'll get this message in a minute. I'll get to it. Dow is up 321 points. S&P up 56. The Nasdaq up 259. GameStop is 170, up $1.17. Come on, GameStop. You can do better than that. And IPOE 1829 and Gore's at 1295 is going up again. All right, my wife and I work in film and television. She works in set decorating. They started using Matterport. It'll change the industry. Measures everything in every room and every set. The possibilities are endless. I know. Gore's Holdings is Matterport. This is huge. Freaking huge. It's bigger than my screen, taking over the whole screen. It's bigger than that. It's so big that when you move the mouse to the top, the time doesn't even show because it's so big. This is how big Matterport and Gore's Holding are going to be. This stock could rival IPOE for how high it's going to go. It is going to go a lot, and it's right now $13. Gores Holdings right now $13. It's going to go a lot. Okay, you've made money on GameStop. You've made money, some of you on AMC. You're going to make a lot of money on Gores. You're going to make a lot of money on IPOE, and you're going to make a lot of money on VGAC. You mark my words. Oh, someone shoot me. Your share of the money, they keep some of our money we are sending you. Yes, they do, because, YouTube owns the schlamazel. They own the whole. It is Google, I am, and indirectly, I'm working with Google to be here and whatever happens. Free thinker McJones. Yeah, I'm just pulling your chain. I really don't care much about the outside of my red portfolio. Okay, whatever. Derek, J factor in resale value, life of product and maintenance, and they're cheaper. I don't know what any of that means. Bless you, Jen. God bless you, Auntie Jen. You must have sneezed. She must have sneezed. She's got her headphones on. She can't hear me. Oh, she says she did. I did sneeze. First try to touch your elbows behind your back. Then try to bite your ear. After that, the computer should work. See. Thank God. Below the name, what version? 11.1.0. Oh, now here we go again. Hang on. Hit the Apple. About this Mac. Version 11.0.1. That's what we got. Okay, that's what we got. Okay. Oh boy, I've been sitting on December 21 $10 call for months. Just picked up 8 more at 130. I just had to get an even number. Oh, there you go. I'm not sure what stock this is, but you okay? Bless you, Jen. They're saying on VGAC. Oh, on VGAC. Okay, way to go. VGAC 997 down a penny. They're not letting it move. It's nothing personal. They're just holding it here on purpose for the vote. The vote is happening now. It's going to go through. Everybody's going to want 23andMe and these guys to merge together. It's going to happen. And then they're going to let it go. And then it's going to go. It's not going to go down. I don't think so. No. It's going to go up. I think it's going to go up a lot. You want to be in calls and in this stock really badly. Like you do. I'm telling you. VGAC 1250 on 12.7 for 70 cents. How good is that? Picked up 50 calls. Now you're talking. You got 5,000 shares of leverage at $12.50 a share until the end of the year. So if it goes to $22.50, you've got a $10 book value call. Each call is worth $1,000. You got 50 of them. $50,000 for $3,500 investment. Hello. We like you a lot, Rod. We like you a lot. Exit full screen. Yeah, okay, sure. When it shrinks, you have to manually resize it. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Okay, well, I'll try anything. I'll exit full screen, and then let's see if this works. I'm manually resizing it. This is so exciting. Okay, so that's cool. But here's the thing. Okay, so now I've left this gap at the top, which, where that bar should be, but the bar isn't there. I have to go to the mouse and get the mouse up there, get the bar to come down. With the time, I'd like that up there all the time. How do I do that? One of two things are working now. That was, who said that? Make it happen. Make it happen. You're a computer genius. You're the first one to be able to get me to this level. Now, how do I get that bar up there to stay up there so I see the time all the time? How do I do that? And oh, by the way, because of what you said on the bottom, I see the icons again. There they are. There's all those icons at the bottom of my screen. There they are. Yay! Except now the top. How do we get the top? Mike, you're pretty good. That's pretty good. You have that box unchecked radar under system preferences, right? Michael, I don't think that's going to help us here. Jen is about everyday sneezing. You play with the China. This is about everyday sneezing. You play with the China. I don't know what that means either. Exit full screen. Hold down the Option key on the keyboard, then click the green button. I'm not doing that. I trust you, but I don't believe you. I trust you, but I don't believe it. Stock market, when you click the green bubble and it minimizes, double-click the blank gray area, and it'll snap the full size of the filling your China screen. Sure, it will. Yeah, okay. Sounds like Jen has been sabotaging Bruce's computer. Jen? I haven't touched it, she says. Carlos, we're going Boeing higher. Eunice says, normally you can exit the full screen window by only pressing the exit escape button. I just do what Mike says. Mike knows what he's talking about. He fixed this thing. I got this thing where I want it now, except I don't have that bar back at the top. Then, Bruce, just try this once. Hold down the command button on your keyboard and click the release on the tab button. This helps you from switching windows. I'm not doing anything right now, and I'll tell you why. Because I got this to work now, and now I don't want to do anything else to screw this up. Because your messages are I'm so behind on my messages. You're not old. I'm old. These are 15 minutes old. So no, I'm not doing that. Bruce, the reasons Macs are so expensive is because the aftercare you receive, and you can call Apple Care anytime, day or night for tech support. No, it doesn't work like that. No. What happens is something screws up. I mention it on the air, and then people tell me what to do. That's what happened. That's the reason. That's how you do it. Apple doesn't know what they're talking about. Why should I call an 800 number and talk to someone who don't know when I can just talk to you guys and say, hey, this is the problem. I got this thingy and that thing, and then you tell me how to fix it. And it almost always works. I love you guys. You guys are good. How does it sound? Disney is doing good too. If you're using Mac OS, Big Sur, Apple logo, top of system preferences, click the square odd dots, click the black logo, dock, anywhere, click automatically hide. So it's easy. It's so easy. Oh my gosh. Now my editor is contacting me saying we could do a screen share later if you want. It's I see how the help I don't need Apple Care. What do I need Apple Care for? This is too much information. Exactly. System preferences, dock, menu bar, uncheck automatically hide, show the menu bar. Yeah, sure. Updates are evil. I'm losing my marbles here. Scotch tape your iPad to the computer. Now you're talking. Now there's some practical sense. Because now I can take it with me wherever I go. Exactly. Finally, somebody who gets me. People have stopped using watches. Who swears? Who still wears a watch? I do feel weird about it. SKA, I don't know what that means, but thank you for this donation. Is Nicola a goodbye, Big B? Nicola. Is Nicola a good? I have no idea. Thanks for the donation, but I have no idea. Anti-PC. Hi, Ashley. Reddit or Apple Watch, Bruce. That's where it's at. You need an Apple Watch because you can't figure out your computer. You can't figure out how your phone works. You sure as hell don't know how your big-ass iPad works. Just imagine when you have an Apple Watch in yours, you are totally screwed up. Day and night, you'll be screwed up. Oh, that's the only way he's going to do it. Oh, no. Get into Gores Holdings at 11:13 because of you. I got in to Gores Holdings at 11:13 because of you. That's what this person said. Daniel, thank you. Could you elaborate a little more about why $20 would still be a good buy in your point of view? Well, because this thing is going to go to like $50. So if you can get it up to 20, you're still going to make money. That's all there is to it. You're just going to make money. It's a 1307 now. It's going higher. 1829 on IPOE. It's going higher. 170.06 on GameStop. It should be going higher. That's what I have to say about all that. David, Uncle Bruce, hold down the Option key on the keyboard and then click the green button. Take it out of the full screen mode. I don't think so. Paul D. Young, $5 euro donation. Thank you, Paul. I can believe in that. Thank you. I missed what the Apple issue is. Oh, it's trick questions and things are happening that, it does things when you're not looking and you go to the bathroom, you come back, it changes. Oh, there's stuff happening here. Yeah. You can manually expand that sliver of a screen with your mouse. I did. Skylar, Mike told me how to do that. Mike, he's the only one. He's the only one who knew. Duck, Sledgehammer, Anti-PC, hiya. We're laughing at you. I mean, with you. John, GVHI, Gores Holdings, $13, 1307. Yeah, we're going higher, kids. You're getting richer. Whether you like it or not, you're getting richer. That's it. That's it. That's it. You're just getting richer. Shut up. You're getting richer. Okay. GameStop 170.10 up $1.27. We're not getting that richer, are we? IPOE up 90 cents to 18.33. Yay! Getting richer. Here's another thing with this iPad. This IPO, my biggest iPad. How do I love my iPad. I got a big ass iPad here. I love this thing. It's great. It's huge, massive. But it shuts off after like 4 or 5 minutes all the time. How do I get it just to stay on? Like just not shut down all the time. It just then I have to restart it. I have to re-hit the button. And it's in general something, isn't it? And then there's a thingy where I push the button to make it stay longer. And I don't know. Anyway, I'm just saying. Are you guys buying puts on GHVI? I halfway heard the conversation. I'm buying puts on Gores Holdings. Oh man, Papa Gamer, is the issue that the minimalized screen is too small? Just drag it from the lower right corner, make it bigger. No, it's not. It's not that. It was taking up the whole screen. We've now figured out because Mike told me first how to fix this, how to minimize it and then drag it out and make it the size you want. Great. Now at the top of the screen, I have to move my mouse all the way to the top of the screen, and then a little bar comes down, and it's the one with the Apple logo. It says Firefox. I use Firefox. File, edit, view, history, bookmarks, tools, Windows, help. It's a blue bar, and then we have all these icons. And on the far right, I have Thursday, May 20, the time. I'd like that up there all the time. But when I move my mouse back down again, because I use my mouse to click on these messages and talk to you guys, that bar disappears. How do I get that to come back and stay there? How do I do that? There's a simple fix, but nobody knows what it is. I'm just here for the food calls. Calls, not puts. That's right, Michael. We're buying calls. That's right. Okay, thanks. Ashley, doing the we are gonna make a lot of money happy dance. Oh, okay, yeah, ooh, yeah, right, yep, gonna make lots of money happy dance. 1301 and Gore, 1249 on AMC, coming up a little bit. We're how much time till we close? See, now I don't know how long until we close because I have to move the mouse up to get the clock to come down because it's 20 minutes to the close. This is really inconvenient. It is not what I like. Auntie is laughing it up. EGLX up 6%. Way to go. Bought $15 calls this morning on Gore's. Didn't expect them to be in the money today, but getting close. Yes, it's going higher. 1301. Tony, use my message again. It'll work. I promise. Tony, thank you. I'll keep an eye open. I have to catch up on messages. I'm only 9 minutes behind right now on live messages. It isn't going to affect the resize issues. Laugh out loud. The version of Big Sur he has isn't going to affect. I don't know. I need more stock. I need help. I voted for VGAC. All good. Been like this for over a month now. If you just send me your social security number and account number, I can take all the virus. If you just give me all your passwords and tell me all your secrets and your social insurance number, and I can make everything go away. Thank you very much. You need to update and patch your Macs, whatever. VGAC and me need a tutorial to write calls. I need a tutorial how to turn on my computer. Epiphany, laughing out loud. I'm not comfortable writing calls until I know more. Well, you better hire me for an hour of my time. That's how you're going to have to do this, because that's how it's going to have to be, and we'll get it done right for you. Oh boy, size does matter. Bruce, oh no. So that's what it sounds like. Oh, Jen, get Bruce his pills. He forgot them. Laugh out loud. Bruce is getting all orgasmic with resizing Windows. Bruce, you are amazing. I tell you, these machines are so complicated and so incredible that they just leave us behind. We just don't know how to do the simple stuff anymore. We just don't know, and we don't know where to go. Because YouTubers don't make videos on really simple stuff. They make videos on really complicated stuff. And so we're just kind of going, we're just out here going, The same reaction I have to manually resizing myself. Liz agreed. Need to know the basics on calls. You guys have to hire me for an hour. You guys want to know the basics on how calls work, on how to write contracts, and the philosophy of how calls and puts deteriorate in value. You're gonna have to spend an hour with me, but it'll be worth your time because the first $400 I help you make, I'm paid for, and after that you are laughing. Ha ha! Is what you're gonna be doing. Rabbit, that's what I thought. I figured it was too simple. Laugh out loud. Mike, make it happen. Mike was awesome. Uncle Bruce, for $400 US, I can do a Zoom meeting with you on Sunday to fix your Mac. Yeah, okay. Drew, I like it. Make it happen. Made it happen. Oh, man. Mike, look at my email again and make sure the box is unchecked. Krista, dang, got to get back to work. I'll see y'all later. See you, Krista. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have it fixed. Pixel Pony, oh my gosh. Dave, Yoko, happiness. Mike is the IT guy for the channel now. Tony, I told you system preferences, dock and menu bar, uncheck, manual hide menu bar. Yeah, it's so simple. Anyone could do it. Waffle Wrap, I spent all day avoiding doing actual work and watching options videos. Carlos, are you plugged into more than one screen? Well, I got more than one tab up here. Like I got a bunch of tabs. No, I don't have more than one screen. No, I just have the one. This is my laptop is right here. And I got my phone leaning up against it. I got my big ass iPad over here. Now that's all good. Oh my gosh. Kayla, Uncle Bruce, if I'm going to put another 1,500 into SPACs, I have all of them. Huh? Would it be better to divide between shares and calls? Oh my gosh. I can't tell you that. It's a question of your risk tolerance and your timing and all of that. But if you've already bought stock, now you can buy calls. Maybe you can play that game. You can now add calls to your stock positions. Tony, make it happen. Marianne, why do I never feel like I have enough stock? There you go. When it goes up, you never have enough. When it goes down, you got way too much. That's how it is. Where's these comments? Oh my gosh, I got so many comments here. System preferences, dock and menu bar, uncheck the menu bar, automatically hide and show. Do you just need to drag the top or bottom window down now? No, I move the mouse to the top of the computer, and this little bar comes down that shows me the Apple logo and all my tabs up there, and then my time on the top. I just want that up there all the time, and I don't know how to make that happen. Mikey made noises come out of Bruce. Never heard before. Oh, God. Oh, that's a good one. I love that one. He didn't even have to tie me up or anything. Oh, God. Oh, that's a classic line right there. Oh, I love that line. Oh, I've never heard Bruce make sounds like that before in my life. Oh, the tears of laughter are coming out. It's so funny. Oh, my God. Oh, this is a good one. I love doing this. This is my job. This is what I do for a living. I get paid to do this. Those of you who are just watching casually going, what's this guy do on this channel? A YouTube recommended I watch him. What does he do? He laughs and laughs and laughs. Oh, my God. This is so much fun. Oh, Lordy. There's no other YouTubers that do this. I dare you to find anybody else. There's nobody. Nobody. Oh, my God. I have to blow my nose. I'm leaking from everywhere. Oh, that is so funny. Mike, you made noises come out of Bruce I've never heard before. Oh, I love that. Maya, I love that line. Oh, my God. Drew, you don't. I know what that means. Haven't touched it. Sounds exactly something a guilty person would say. I didn't touch anything. Changing the boot sound of my iMac to the Uncle Bruce squeal. Tony, system preferences, dock and menu bar, uncheck, automatically hide. Sure, yeah. Anyone can do that. Oh, yeah, of course. Everyone will need a bar back. What's that? Everyone will need a bar back tomorrow afternoon. I don't know what that even means. I love reading all the help you get in here. I love the help. Oh, man, it's easy. It's so easy. Here. That was easy. Oh, this is why I'm glad I don't have to deal with users anymore and just deal with back-end stuff. Laugh out loud. Michael. Oh, too much fun. We pay him to subscribe to this. And that's the thing. You guys pay to watch this. So I can ask you how to help you figure out my computer, and this is what I get. Oh, this is the entertainment, folks. It's cheaper to buy a PC and put a Mac OS onto it. Oh, man, actually, the mouse and the bar, I think the mouse is drinking. Eddie Mac lessons with Bruce, 70% of the time. It works every time. Call someone rivals your jokes. Oh, hi, anti-PC. Bruce's face, office space. Oh, you have to get the crud out of your mouse, Bruce. That's what you got to do. Free tech support. I was busy for a bit. Would I help more if I was here? For 400 US, we could have a Zoom and I'll fix your Mac. Colin, did you clean the crud out of your mouse? We love Boomer Bruce. When I'm growing up, I also want to be a boomer like him. We need definitely a new Boomer generation. Oh, would have loved your help. Anyone remember when Bruce fell off his phone books and knocked the internet cable out of his Mac? That was fun. I don't trust me with Macs. They have different keys. Tony, oh God, Bruce, have your computer friend make a sundial out of recycled barnwood. Problem solved. Now you know what time it is. Just get Marshall, instead of making knees, make sundials, and then I'll know what time it is. I don't even need this computer. I mean, oh, anti-PC. Hi, Uncle Bruce. Wait till you get our collective bill from YouTube. Keep talking. We charge by the second. Gremlins, would a January 2022 call for Gores with a 25 strike be good? I'd be a little rich, but if it's really cheap, okay, but you should get in a lot closer. Come on in closer. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? I say, Tony, great. How do I send the funds? Laugh out loud. That's like 3 drinks right there. Are you sure we've exhausted this Gen lead? Mysteriously not working after coming back from the bathroom, confused. This reminds me of my parents asking me to come over to change a light bulb the other day. Oh, I just need a little help, son. Can you come over and help us with a light bulb? What does this do? Oh, yes. Nice 10% jump on my mind. On MMMMD. Marianne, I only expect whatever that means. Stock Market Bruce. If that doesn't work, I'll PayPal you $100. Click the green bubble to minimize. Then double click the blank gray area on the right. Those buttons. Have faith. Oh, my gosh. Only 358 thumbs ups. Let's step up this thing, people, for the iPad settings, display, and brightness. Auto lock never. Oh, God. No more tech advice for Amasa. And since you don't listen, there you go. I don't understand. Brucey, on the iPad, go to settings, then display and brightness, then auto lock, change to never or another time frame. Oh my gosh, all these trick questions. IPOE is $18.50 up $1.07. That much I can tell you. GameStop is $170.98 and it's up $2.15. That I can tell you. The market is closing in 9 minutes because my iPad tells me what time it is. It's 12:51 my time. That means it's 9 minutes to the close. But my PC doesn't tell me that. Not my MacBook Pro, because that bar disappeared. The Dow is up 210 points. NASDAQ is up 231. S&P up 43. GameStop is at 170.72. AMC 1264 unchanged. Gores at 1303 up $1.93. Woohoo! VGAC's flat at 9.97. They're keeping it there. Get your calls now. Fifth Wall up 19 cents to 10.69. Vector up 6 cents. Down 6 cents. Navsite down a penny. Starport up a penny. Fortress Value up 3 cents to 9.98. Oh my gosh. Oh, it used to be so much easier. My gut feeling is to pick Gores over VGAC. Gores is moving now. That's why your gut's telling you that. It's moving right now. Big ass iPad settings, general display, brightness, auto lock, never. See, there you go. Dave, cruise lines showing significant recovery on news that the PVSA waiver has been passed the House and is on its way to the President. Alaska cruises will happen this year. You think so? You don't really think that's going to happen, do you? Let's see how those are doing. We've got Royal Caribbean up 77 cents. We have Norwegian up 8 cents, and we have Carnival still down 12 cents. Maybe. Tony Purpose, that's all I got. Okay, I told you already. System preferences. Dock and menu bar. Menu bar, uncheck, automatically hide, and show the menu bar. How do you make head or sense of this stuff? How do you make heads or tails of this stuff? Hang on a second. Let me. I got an idea. I got an idea. Camera. Take a picture of what he just said. Okay. There it is right there. There. Now I've got it right here. Now I can go up here. Told you our system preferences. Docs. Okay, hang on. Okay, system preferences. Yeah. Dock and menu bar. Yeah. Click on that. There it is. And then menu bar, uncheck, automatically hide, and show the menu bar. Automatically hide. Okay, what do we do? Uncheck that. Yeah. And show the menu bar. Okay. All right. And then what? Do I just go out of here now? Is that all I have to do? I have to hit okay or set it, or I can just go out of here now, click out. Okay, now what? Is it supposed to happen now? Oh, it happened. Oh, wow, look at that. This is exciting. Hang on. Let me show you. Photo. You can see it right here. Oh, hang on. Oh, this is so exciting. There. Okay, now. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, wow, look at this. This is me taking a picture of me and my screen, and you can see right here. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. You can see the bar up there. See, there it is. There, Tony now. Everyone's messaging me like crazy. Holy moly, macaroni. Oh, you can see. There it is. There it is. You can see the time. There it is. It's right there. I didn't have to put the mouse up there anymore. Oh, it only took an hour. Isn't this great? Thank you, guys. You're so awesome. I don't know what I'd do without you. If I called Apple Help, it would have taken me an hour on hold to get to it, or maybe somebody would have called me back tomorrow. Resident Fleet iPad, go to settings, then display brightness on right side of the screen. You'll see auto lock, change the time. That's another project over there. Oh my gosh. I better take a picture of this for the iPad because that seems to work. Hang on a second, guys. I got to take a picture of this instruction from Resident Fleet. There it is. I've got it. Thank you, Resident Fleet. I got your thing right here, and I can work on this in a second. Well done, Tony says. Yay, Tony! Man, the stuff you learn in jail. The stuff you picked up in jail. It's incredible, man. You are really on top of this stuff. Anyway, NOK up 514. Yay! Crap. No, General Chris has it all right. I think you have a good gut, General Jen. Tony is right about getting the time to stay and all that. He did it. We got her done. Between Mike and Tony, we fixed this thing back to the way it used to be. I don't know how I screwed it up. I just went from here during the show, and I go over to the couch with it, and I just go to work over there, and then I come back and plug it in back here and get back to work. It just doesn't Yoko at least know something on IT issues? She sings, she doesn't sing. What? Thanks, Auntie. That gut works every time for some reason. I don't know what that means. Hover over the hidden bar, then go over to the view drop down. I'm not doing this. System preference menu bar. No. Listen to Colin. Big Sur is indestructibly beautiful. Okay. Sometimes solve a problem backwards. I googled how to hide the clock tab on Mac. Always go with the gut. Hide or show the toolbar. Choose view. Hide toolbar or view. Show toolbar while working in full screen for some apps. Choose view. Always show to. I'm not doing that. Peeper Gamer knows what's up too. Oh, thank you. Derek J. Bruce, I sent you too much money. Can you go over to your nearest store and buy gift cards? Oh, man. I sold my stale Apple holding for Gore's Holdings today. Bruce, since you're about 10 minutes behind, will you remind me to take a beer out of my freezer now? Take a beer out of your freezer now. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Reddit, just break out of your 90s PC and play the flight simulator in the Office 97 XL. I used to have one of those. This will work, Bruce. Now you have the icons along the bottom. Click the system preferences. Go. Click the black logo top menu, top bar. Trick, untick automatically. Hide, show, monitor bar, top left. Oh, my God. Calvin, what did I miss? I've been installing a new modem, and it's been foobar. Oh, you should see what I've been doing. Vincent, thank you, Vincent, for this donation. Bruce, this is your Apple Care representative. We've been desperately trying to get in touch with you regarding your expiring car warranty. You all need to watch Scam the Scammer videos on YouTube. Oh, Observe Thyself. Bullish Bears has awesome vids on YouTube about options as well as regular stock and trading and charting. Sharon, click the Apple logo on your Mac's menu bar. Go to System Preferences, Dock, find automatically hide, show the dock setting, then select it once again to become a permanent on-screen fixture. Sure, I'm an Android girl. I found that online. Oh no, I think we got to fix, guys. We're okay. I'm just catching up with old messages. It's all good, guys. We're okay now. You have to don't worry about it. Oh my gosh, I'm so behind. How many messages have I not read? Oh my God, I can't even. I'm not even able to get back to the comment. Oh, I've totally missed what the issue is. I don't even think it's most of the time. Sounds like you need a Windex on the monitor. Oh my gosh, AMC's going up. Wally, welcome, whatever who that is. Somebody joined the channel and I can't welcome them because of all along I've been. RIP people asking real questions on stocks. AMC at 1262. Oh my gosh, it's 1257. It's down 7 cents. GameStop is 170.09. We're closing in 2 minutes because I can look at my computer now. It tells me there's only 2 minutes till the close. Finally, this is so good. Up 186 on the Dow. It's slumping at the end. S&P up 42, NASDAQ up 234. IPOE at 1842 up 99 cents. 1843 up $1. GameStop 170.01. Gore 1310. Gore's Holdings 1310 up $2. Wow, what a day! Nice 998 on VGAC, and the Dow's getting ready to close in 1 minute 35 seconds because my TV always has the time on it when they get that close. And now my computer is showing me less than 2 minutes. So, oh my God! And what can I say? What can I say? Drew, it's going to have to stop at some point. I closed my Visma account after my discussion with my broker about GameStop. Sometimes you have to take matters into your own hands. The VCR is flashing 12 again. What do I do? No. Last minute scent of plankton in the air. Yoko can fix it. Oh my gosh. Way to be. Oh my gosh. Thank you, everybody. Oh gosh. I just got to catch up with the current. I got to go through like 100 comments here to catch up to you guys. There's so many that I can't read. I just can't keep up. Thank you to Trish. Uncle Bruce, can you talk about SOAC? I don't know what that is. I have no idea who it is, so I can't talk about it right now. We're in the last minute to close here. You owe Tony a free hour. Oh, Tony, I'm going to put a good word in with your parole officer. I'm going to tell you that. We did it. What did we do? I know. Uncle Bruce, you're so funny. I trust you, but I don't believe you. Bruce makes sounds I've never heard him make before. I love that one. Oh, that's the line of the day. Oh, my gosh. Tony, do you have super chats? Oh, my gosh. I love today. Well done, Uncle Bruce. Well, will you look at that? Just look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Just look at all this and that. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. AT&T CEO John Stankley defends dividend cut. AT&T cut the dividend. That couldn't last forever, I guess. Oh my gosh. We knew we let you out of jail for a reason. This is excellent. We're closed now. Last trade on GameStop, 170.43 up $1.60. It's now 170.40. Okay. And then on IPOE, last trade at 18.38 up 95 cents. It's now 18.50 up 12 cents in the aftermarket. Gore's last trade, 13.11 right now. Up 201 on the day on 1.2 million volume. What a day for Gore. AMC lost a dime, down a dime on the day, and it's at 12.50, down another 4 cents in the aftermarket on 60 million. That AMC volume is like a third of what it was 4 days ago. It is just completely backing off, and it's going to go lower now because if it doesn't trade 100 million a day, it can't go up. It just can't go up. That's just my guess. I could be wrong. Oh, Yoko says, I get a little help from my friends. Microvision is up to 1436. Yay. The only guy Bruce calls is the guy to help with clock. There. I'm sorry. I've always blamed Tony in the past. I've seen the error of my ways, says, damn it, Jim. Maya, best day I've had in a while. Glad to share with you all. Thank you, Maya. Thank you for that one-liner. Oh, that was fun. 1838 last trade on IPOE. So there you go. 1848 in the aftermarket. GameStop aftermarket now at 170.40. Okay. The markets are closed. The Dow up 186 points. We'll take that. S&P up 43. NASDAQ up 236. Oil down $1.41 a barrel to 61.95. GameStop is 170.48 right now on the aftermarket. IPOE 18.50 up 12 cents in the aftermarket. We got you covered. Adam, people taking profits and waiting for the dip to buy more. Why is stock so stagnant? Again, I'm not going to buy Tony a nice Italian dinner for help. I'm going to buy Tony a nice Italian dinner for helping Bruce. If you had 1,000 shares of GHVI and IPOE, what or what should you do? Hold it and enjoy the run. They're going to go. They're going to go. That's the way the cookie crumbles. All the SPACs are green. We need to stop stealing Tony's cigarettes now. Make sundials. Laugh out loud. Yes, that's what we need to do. My modem keeps cutting me out. Did we fix the Mac issue? Yes, we seem to have fixed it. We've got more suggestions than we could shake a stick at. But yeah, we're good. And IPOE is now 1863 up 25 cents in the aftermarket. This is the most green I've seen in a hot minute. Okay, Uncle Bruce, 2 equals 2 is 4. Okay, I used to watch and giggle at my dad trying to figure out new technology before he passed. Now I got Uncle B to fill in the role. Thanks, Uncle B. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, it's just hours of fun. Oh, he's so happy, laughing out loud. Beer should be nice and cold now. Okay, I got to work. Have fun, people, says Aaron. Perfectly cold. Thanks, Bruce. Laughing out loud. All Uncle Bruce's SPACs are green. Wait, is it Friday? Oh, I wish it was, but it's not. By the way, this is a CD tray. It's not a cup holder. No, it's a cup holder. Come on. It's just a retractable one. It goes out of the way when you don't need it. Hi there, OT. Last time I went to AMC Theater, I was arrested for not hiding my toolbar. Oh, my goodness gracious me. Welcome one, welcome all to this crazy day. Your Uncle Bruce is struggling. Is there a PT on GHVI post-merger? Is there a PT? What is a PT? I don't know what this means. Jed says, is there a physical therapy on Gore's holdings after post-merger? What does that mean? Don Hammer, accident, I have entered the twilight zone with Uncle Bruce. Apparently. Yeah, apparently, all right. If AMC is what is that? Is over 13 and GameStop is over 170. How old is the train conductor? There you go. Don't worry, Bruce. The member join was a rejoin. Blue Bageler, they're fine. We didn't miss a newbie. Oh my God! Did you hear they caught Saddam Hussein? Did you hear that? Yoko, 475 thumbs ups. Is that all we have for all this effort? 502 thumbs ups is all we have today. We try, we beg our viewers, please give us thumbs ups. You're here anyway. You don't pay anything to hit the thumbs up button. It would be a nice gesture on your part to just say, I like you. I like how hard you work, Bruce. I really enjoy it. And I like the fact that you tell us about these SPACs and that today of all days, every single SPAC you've recommended to us is green or pretty well green. We really thank you for that. But would it kill you to give me a thumbs up? Please, could you give me a thumbs up? 544 thumbs ups. Please give us a thumbs ups. 894 of you are here. We should easily be able to hit 1,000 right now. Could you kindly, please, in your heart, find a way to give me a thumbs up? It used to be a lot easier, but it's not that easy anymore. It just isn't that easy anymore. Thank you for being here so much, everybody. It's okay. If you hate me, you hate me. What can I say? Colin Dangerously, 42 or 69, I don't know. Brucey, please, can you remind me to turn the oven off when you read this in about an hour? Thanks, buddy. Okay. What can I say? 70.49 on the aftermarket right now, apparently, although I got, 70.39. Okay. Should I just sell my VGAC options to buy IPOE options or just hold? Don't you do anything. You just sit there. You just sit there and get ready to get rich. Just get ready. Just get ready. Great times. He'll notice in 20 minutes, laughing out loud. Level just changed back to 170.41. Yes, we broke him again. We will be the late ones. Buzzers. That's weird. Webull says Gore's closed at 16 and now just changed to 13.11. Webull screwed up. Looks like we're waiting for another week of something exciting being announced. I don't know. We'll see here. Time to celebrate all this green with some green. Try a 1-800. What time is it? Drew, I'll join in. Look at this. Look at this. What's it say? Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this and look at that. Just look at that. Bruce, you should look up Ed Basemaster on YouTube. He's hilarious. I think I'm funnier. That's a nice close. Shopping for more brain food while listening to Bruce living the GameStop life. There you go. More merrier, please. Whatever. What are the membership symbols next to our username supposed to look like? What do you think they look like? What do you think they look like? Let me know. Joshua, the way Bruce is with computers is the way we all are with the stock market before we met Uncle Bruce. There you go. We were at 496 thumbs ups. We're now at 615 thumbs up. So that's pretty good. We got 650. We only need 385 more thumbs ups to get to 1,000 thumbs ups, which would tell YouTube really that people should be here. They should really be here on this channel, hanging out with a good folks, a really good bunch of people here. That's what should be going on. What can I say? Anyway, thank you. Now, somebody sent me a donation, and I just want to check something out here. Hang on. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, hang on. Thank you, everybody. Just too much fun here. Insanity rules. What can I say? Now, Olga. Thank you, Olga, for your PayPal donation. I really appreciate this. That's awful kind of you. And thank you for that. And then also to Trish. Trish sent me a donation as well. Thank you for that. And then somebody sent something. What was it? Well, here we go. Thank you to see all the thank you. Thank you, Trish, for your donation on PayPal. Someone is asking me something. What is it? I can't. Okay, here we go. Carol, I donated on PayPal just a few minutes ago. It was me under Olga. Even though I can't comment on the chat for some reason, I have my purple bagel. Just want you to know that we are grateful for what you do every day. You explain everything in a very simple way. Thanks for your effort and doing all this for us. Keep up the good work. We love Uncle Bruce. Let's go. Bagels all the way to the moon. Don't read this on your live stream. It's too long. Okay, you should have said that first. If you put that at the beginning of the message, I would have read the whole message, but let's see. Even though I can't comment in the chat. Now, maybe you can't comment. Maybe the reason you can't comment is perhaps, Olga, that your whatever device you're using is a different device than what you became a member with, one, or two. The device you're using, and maybe you're trying to use, I'm not sure if you're trying to use your phone or what you're trying to use. Maybe the device you're using has got something in the settings that won't let you do it. Maybe there's some kind of a blockage in the systems that you have, and I know, I can tell you right now from experience. I'm gonna try and say this without breaking up. But I can tell you with experience, I happen to have a crack team of specialists who watch this show all the time and who are able to give you advice on how to set up your device to enable you to allow you to make messages on my channel. So just stand by and look for comments that are going to come up here, and you're going to find the solution you need, because I asked for help an hour and a half ago from my people here. Well, an hour and 9 minutes ago, and they came in with incredible suggestions. One or two of which worked, and I just want to say thank you. Price target, okay. PT's price target. Gores is giving another shot at discount. And so you just stand by. Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan Chairman James Gorman, we're stepping down. Okay. They're stepping down. Interesting. Price target, the antigen. It's happy hour time, hump day. Now Bruce's computer date says 400 BC. Well, that's probably right. Tony got over 1,000 thumbs ups ages ago. Yoko is the reason so many men struggle with ED. What's for lunch, Uncle B? Thumbs going up. Damn it, Bruce. The chicken is very undercooked. I'm definitely getting salmonella from eating that. Jonathan, my IPOE calls went up from 36 cents a share today. Went up 36 cents a share today. They went up that much. That is good stuff. That's it on today's of all days. Wheat Wild, thank you for the $5 donation. Uncle Bruce had $99 left for today. So I bought one VGAC call for 95 cents. $12.50 strike, Jan 21, 2022. Paycheck next week. We'll load up on more various options. There you go. Now, when VGAC goes to $20 a share, hopefully, your contract will be worth $750 plus premium. So maybe it'll be $850 in value, and you paid $99. So see, 90. Now you're talking. That's it. Today and all days. Hey, Bruce, how do you see 23andMe creating a revenue model for the future? I just don't see it. Mo, you just got to believe. You just hang in there. Is there a price target for GHVI post merger? Way higher. I'm thinking an easy triple, but that's me. That's my personal opinion. You're gonna make money. Hot pause, thumbers up. Okay. No moon today. No doubt. Go thumbers. If you pay us, we can hit the like button for you. Now we're talking. That thing right there comes in different colors. Is that a medallion? That thing right there. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, now I'm going to work. Is it normal to close GameStop 26,000 shares just like that every night? AMC 300,000. I'm not sure. I don't understand what this means. Sharon, there's a technical question. If I'm responding to someone here, how do I make the Wally's World or wherever show up in orange? How do you make their name show up? Somebody knows that, don't you? It's that logo on his shirt. It's a smaller. I don't know what that means. Time and patience, air and patience and time. Is it a bagel? It's a bagel. It's this logo. That's what it is. It's just in miniature. What can I say? Free Olga. It did it to me. Oh no, we got a female kind of Tony now. Don't read out loud. Wally's World. I'm totally kidding. Helps with keep track on your device only. A female Tony is a phony. Oh, a Walter's World. Interesting. Thanks, Wally. An extra fancy bagel. Oh my God. It's a Bruce with bagel symbol. Brilliant. Yeah, it's this beside your name in a different color every month. I thought these were trick questions. Olga's in jail. Get the bail money. How do we get Olga out of jail? Okay. Did Bruce just give Olga electronic help? Bagels with Bruce. Now Bruce is giving us tech advice. Well, I'm giving you the instructions to give her blockage free Olga. Bruce is pimping us out now. If there's a blockage in your system, you should probably eat more fiber. Olga, just remember to trust the chat, but don't believe them. I'm kind of bummed I didn't lower my cost basis all the way to 10. Hey, Bruce, any tips for finding a trustworthy financial advisor like Red Flags? Nope. Uncle Bruce, what would be better? VGAC call, January 21, 22, 12.50 for 85, or October 15, 21, 12.50 for 55 cents. October 15, 21, 12.50. And we get the January 2022 one. Go longer. My portfolio is now only 900 in the red, 900 pounds, going in the right direction. Thank you, Bruce. Yay! Okay, all right, Daniel, not sure if anyone answered this part, but orange symbols mean 1 month. Member, green is 2 months, blue is 3 months. That's about correct. Mofons is generic medicine. PT, make mine a triple price target. And yes, they are bagels. That's right, they are. Very good. Okay, Sharon, hit the @ symbol, then start typing the name. There, Sharon. Hopefully that works for you. Carlos, Daniel, it's a blue waffle. Just do any image you search and you should find it. It only shows up in orange on the person's screen. You tag in the comment. SLGC before the name. At before the name. Sal, use the thing before the name. It only shows orange for that person. Use it. See, there's your advice right there. We're helping people here. Welcome to Tech Support with Uncle Bruce on Uncle Bruce's Stock Market with Bruce show. We got Bruce through an incredibly difficult episode earlier today. Now we're trying to help Sharon with her at things, and then we're trying to help out Olga get her out of jail. Without that, it works. Okay, VGAC is one of the largest genome DNA data banks in the world. Great for research and pharmaceuticals. They will make tons. Exactly. Bam! There it is. Uncle Bruce couldn't fix his Apple. Imagine when he sees all the tech stuff and teaser and Easter stuff when he gets his Tesla. Oh, you know what? How do you turn on a Tesla? Oh my gosh! I'm going to be 3 hours at the pickup place. You know, when I go and get it, it'll be like a 3 hour. It's supposed to be 30 minutes. It'll be 3 hours, 30 minutes. They're going to bring in 5 techs to show me. Okay, this is a door handle. Okay, now it's going to be so much fun. Oh, I'm going to say, where's the key? T-Bone, thanks. Is there a specific news that caused Gores to jump today? All we know is that they announced the picking up of a new IR person. The investor relations department has a person running it now, a new person running it. That's just been, and the stock went up $2.01 today to $13.11. You gotta love that. Woohoo! Okay, is Olga the same Turkish? Is she in the same Turkish prison that Tony escaped from? Tony, did they fill in that tunnel yet? Can we get her out of there? Liz, you're orange now. T-Bone, good job, Bruce. You're almost caught up now. It's red. It's red. What is that? It's red. It's red. RJ. Justin, thousands of volunteers will be given a third dose of a COVID-19 vaccine as part of a clinical trial to examine whether a booster shot is helpful. Okay. The longer we're here, the moldier our bagels get. Drew, someone talked me out of putting the shop's profits from today into Gore's holdings tomorrow because I am gonna. Okay, Liz, game changer. Damn it, Jim, thanks. Orange, Colin, dangerously. Neat. Stock markets with Bruce. We talking about this, as Sharon, very welcome. Alt and Control and Delete. Oh gosh, I'm always ready orange. At least now I'm orange. You tell the Tesla a joke. Better leave the plastic on the Tesla seats, Bruce. Don't take that off. Take notes at the dealership, or maybe I should take photos as he's touching the screen. I should take photos with my phone that I can look at him later, or I should video the guy. That's what I should. I should just sit in the back seat, and then he's in the front seat, and I should video what he's doing with my car, so that I can see all the buttons he's pushing on the screen, so that I can look at it later and see how it. Oh, I'm going to be hours in my garage trying to figure that thing out. Orange now. What cookies are for Google and Facebook? DNA will be for 23andMe. Smile. How about now? Could you make a short video explaining what it would take for GameStop to be trading at 1,000 a share on fundamentals so I can share it with everyone I know? This is the second time you've asked me this, but that's a good topic. We'll have to do something like that. Stock markets with Bruce. Wow, I can do the username thing with your name. Don't worry, I'm not going to abuse it. Haha. Orange, green, and blue angels avatars, courtesy of Uncle Bruce. Stock markets with Bruce today is my Friday. Kevin and I will be out celebrating our anniversary tomorrow. Happy anniversary number 38, I think it is. Congratulations, Sharon. Way to go there, Kevin. Way to go. I've had a Tesla for 1 year. I still haven't figured out how to turn it off. There's no power switch. See, these are complicated. Colin, I think Bruce should make short videos for tech support issues. Nothing would be solved, but they'd be fun to watch. We'll all get to see Bruce's face. Colin, in 6th grade, I wore a magnetic earring and I thought I was cool, but don't read this out loud. It's embarrassing. There you go. Read it live stream, the Tesla purchase. Uncle Bruce, when you get this message, let me know my Earl Grey is ready. Thank you, Larry. Colin, dangerously. Uncle Bruce, calling Tesla support. Hi, this is Uncle Bruce. Hello. Colin, I miss your hair. Please put it back. Congrats, Sharon, on your anniversary. Take one of the Tesla technicians home. Yoko will like to have company for a few days. Bruce, how many countries does your background have? I don't know. Sharon, congrats. Stock markets with Bruce. Yes, 38 years. Right on. Laughing out loud. Colin, thanks. I do tech support for a living. What have I missed? Everything. I clicked like what my clock says 40 minutes to Yoko. Happy anniversary, Sharon. Happy anniversary, Sharon and Kevin. Is that as big as the Afro can go, Colin? Or do you have another button for that? Long live Pancake Trex. Oh, my God. Oh, I tell you, I don't know. How do we get Olga to be able to make comments? What is happening? Is it Olga? I got to ask you. Well, I can't. She can't reply. She can't answer questions that we're asking. Oh my God. Anti-PC just doesn't feel right. Nope. John and Van and T-Bone. Oh, laughing out loud. And Rabbit Infant. Oh my gosh, we have problems. We have so many logistical problems. Oh my God. Thank you everybody for trying to help us here. Oh my, it's just insanity. I don't know. I don't know what to make of it. It used to be a lot easier, but I'm just saying it's not that easy anymore. And there you have it. Thank all of you for being here, following the show today, hanging around with me. I can tell you right now, I have 40 minutes to go on my show because I can see my clock on the corner of my computer again, which is like old times. It's just so nice to be able to do that. Simple thing. I'm so happy. Thank you. And there, I'm looking now at my screen. I have 674 thumbs ups right now. And I'm looking at my live show here, and I can see Sharon being able to turn these things into orange. That is good stuff, Sharon. I'm so glad to see there. And Sharon's and Aaron can do it. And now Dober Mamba can do it. All of you guys can show these orange things when you highlight somebody. Isn't that great? Thank you, everybody, for helping with tech support today. This channel is now the new tech support center for Apple and for YouTube. No problem at all. Your host is Bruce, the hostess with the mostest. And my expression on my face will tell you whether or not the tip that we receive works or not. Or whether it's understandable or not. And there you have it. That's what a lot of people need these days, is the kind of guidance to understand just what the heck is happening in our world with these high-tech gadgets we have now that have left us born in 55 way behind. Thank you for 676 thumbs up so far. I really appreciate these thumbs ups. We only need 324 more to get to 1,000. If there are 324 more people out there who can give me thumbs ups right now, please hit the button. If you're watching this on rerun, just hit the thumbs up button and don't ask any questions. Just do it. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it. 677 thumbs ups. They're coming in like one at a time now. Thank you very much for these one at a time thumbs ups. Got 681. Thank you. They're just crushing it now, and help us get to 1,000 thumbs ups. I thank you, folks. 684. Thank you. 687. Thank you. They're coming in. There's no stopping this thumbs up train now. Wally's World. Hi, Uncle Bruce. Special request. Can you lean in and say this? Wally loves his Jen like Uncle Bruce loves his Jen. His Jen. Duncan, I can't do that. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Okay. Wally loves his Jen like Uncle Bruce loves his Jen. There you go. Okay. There it is. Okay, got her done. Whew. And I'm doing what I can here with what little I have up. The real worst thing to happen to me this year is that my old ad blocker no longer works on YouTube. It ain't easy to be green. Olga, take a picture of your YouTube settings and send it to us via carrier pigeon. Oh my gosh. Olga, you need a rock hammer and a rock blanket. Orange is the new green. Michael, Pete, ad block plus and ad block orange in here and never see ads. Oh gosh. Stonk Whisperer. Wally, thank you. Noise, Uncle Bruce. Thank you, Wally. So much. Colin, what's the new chair situation? There's nothing new. What I was hoping to do was I was kind of hoping to be able to go to Cranbrook in British Columbia, about an hour and 20 minutes from here, where there's all kinds of stores. And then I would just get one and bring it home. You see, that would be like, I could sit in it and test it, try it. They've got some, Staples and Office Depots and stuff there, and I was kind of hoping to do that. Haven't been able to get out of town. I never took one of those ancestry tests because I thought the data would eventually get resold, and now I'm trying to buy as much VGAC as I can. There you go, Pete. Unblock is what I have, has worked fine for years, but I'm seeing ads for the last few days. Dober Mamba, Wally's World, teaching the kids how it's done. Oh man, Kayla. Oh, Mike, Peter, I use both and never see anything. Rabbit, Farragon, you warned him. You warned him. Olga rhymes with Olga. See, Wally's for you, Dober Mamba. There you go. Anyway, there you are, guys. Thank you for all your help today, for getting us over the big hunch. What can I say? Colin, that chair became the Jelly of the Month Club. There you have it. Yeah, we're working on a chair. Yeah, I need a chair bad, but I got to test drive it. I don't want to order one and then send it back if I don't like it. And assemble it first, and then I don't like it. I don't want to do that. I'm old. I'm old. Farragut, I also avoided for privacy. Also seen some weird family drama come from it. If you can't beat them, need to be able to buy call contracts on thumbs ups. I'm in for 10 contracts for Uncle Bruce. There you go, Eric. Thanks, buddy. That's a great comment. Love that. Oh my gosh. I don't know, guys. I just, it used to be so much easier. It's not that easy anymore. Aftermarket quotes: GameStop 169.50, AMC at 12.57, Social IPOE 18.39, VGAC 9.98, Gores 13.09 aftermarket. Not bad. Holding it all, a 9.98 for Fortress, 9.90 for Starboard, Vector Acquisition 9.95, Navsite 9.90, Fifth Wall 10.20, 10.64. So we're hanging in there on the after hours. We did Ancestry DNA a few years ago. Every several months, they recalculated Kevin's Ancestry and came up with very, very, very different results. Strange. Ashley, get the tech support add-on for the chair. Uncle Bruce clipped the tech support episode. Oh, gosh. U-Matrix, U-Block, Origin, Safe Script, and Privacy Badger. Farragut, Rabbit Result, you are 50% mailman. Sharon, that's weird. Pete, yes, it worked. Thank you, Mike. Michael. Thank you, Michael. Buy and hold. No script is good too. There you go. No script is good too. So there. See, we got all kinds of technical results right here with this show. Give us a thumbs up for all the technical help you're getting today to get you through the thing. 709 thumbs ups now. We're only 291 thumbs ups away from 1,000 thumbs ups from satisfied technical support customers who need it the most, like me. Thank you so much. If I could give a thumbs up, I would. Actually, I've already given myself a thumbs up. I've already given myself a thumbs up. Maybe you guys can give me a thumbs up. 711 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody. That was easy. See, there you go. Thank you, everybody. Beautiful job. 713 thumbs ups. They're flying in here. Thank you, everybody, for stepping up and helping out, watching these aftermarkets trades. What a run we've had here in the last day or two. Gores Holdings, you gotta love this. 13.10 in the aftermarket. Wow, very good. We're on fire. Oops, you slipped, Bruce. My IT friends used to use the acronym PICNIC. Problem in chair, not in computer. I know that. I go with that. I'll agree with that. Rabbi, we know he's a mutt, but we thought the analysis would give us some reliable information. They add and subtract different countries constantly. Tony, VGAC's test for Tony will find out that his family were all in prison. Larry, easy, buzzer. Colin, next time the clock disappears on the screen, try adjusting the antenna on top, then just whack the monitor hard on the right-hand side. It should come back. Colin, I was just about to do that. It was close. Bleacher Creature, problem exists between keyboard and chair. That's where the problem is. Sharon, Stomers, Bruce, I made Kevin take a work break to give you a thumbs up. Oh, thank you so much. Kevin, I love you, buddy. Thank you, pal. Pete, I'm laughing. Wally's World, $4.99 for a watermelon. Talking to my international friends in watermelon price list the GameStop way. What browser is Olga using? She should try Mozilla. John, I can't wait to buy a new PS5 through GameStop. Of course. There you go. Can't wait to do that, obviously. What do we have now? We have 721 thumbs up. 721 thumbs ups. Keep them coming, guys. We only need 279 more, and we're going to have 1,000 thumbs ups for this show. Find every device in your house, log into the channel, hit a thumbs up, then email your friends. Do a posting on your Facebook group pages or Facebook pages. Tell everybody you know that Bruce is out there begging for 1,000 thumbs ups. You got to help him out right now. He's only got 32 minutes to go before he's off the air, and he needs 1,000 thumbs ups. He's just got to have it. He's addicted to thumbs up. Help him. They're free to hand out. You just got to kind of find a way to get to this show, make it happen. 728 now. They're coming in. 728 thumbs ups. 731. This is so cool. 229 to go. No, 269 to go. And we are there with 1,000 thumbs ups. Thank you so much. 735. They just keep coming. It's incredible. VGAC 23andMe are owners of so much user DNA. They are going to monetize that for sure. Some cures for illnesses are found by people's rare immunities. There you go. It's right there. It's awesome sauce stuff. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to who we got here. Thank you, Wendy. Wendy Stokes. Thank you, Wendy. Just got a donation on PayPal. It just came in. I thank you so much, Wendy, for that. That's awful kind of you. Thank you so much for the donation. I appreciate it. Why is trade volume important? Trade volume. Well, the more volume, the more participants. Probably that's a good thing. I long for the days when tech support was tinfoil on the antenna. Yeah, I know what you mean there. VGAC 23andMe, FBI. You mean? I don't know what that means. Uncle Bruce is our technical support representative for stocks. There you have it. Wally's Word. Let's go. No Z's. Wake him up. Thumbers for the Uncle Bruce and Auntie Jen. Tony. Watermelon. Rabbit. Side note here. I got into the habit of saying, and we're back over the years and forgot where it came from until you read that comment last week and it clicked for me. That's Saturday Night Live, Jimmy Fallon. That's right. And we're back. That's right. Jimmy Fallon. Correct. Yep. I love that skit. That was great. Carlos, most of my DNA can be found in my bathtub tiles. Oh, gosh. Daniel, Bruce, Mooses, Spruces, Gooses. Daniel, thank you for that. I think. Thank you. Alive, we're at 746 thumbs ups. And we're climbing. We only need 254 more to get to 1,000. And because of you guys, they just keep coming in. The dwindling audience that's left here, 684 people are watching, and you're coming in to give me a thumbs up. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate this. It is awful nice of you. Thank you all so much. 748. Another one. They're coming. 751 here to 249 to go. They're coming, baby. We're gonna get 1,000 thumbs ups. We need them in 29 minutes. We got to get to 1,000 thumbs ups because that's when this show ends. And we're at 758 now. We only need 242 more. And everyone makes a difference. Thank you all so much for giving this show thumbs ups. Every single one of you on multiple devices. There's 677 of you here. If you all had a second device and you all gave me a thumbs up right now, we would be over 1,400 thumbs ups. I mean, I'm only asking for 1,000, 762 now. I mean, I'm asking for like a fraction of you to help out. Not even all of you, but if all of you just, grabbed your phone and grabbed your iPad and grabbed the PC and grabbed the laptop and phoned a friend, it could have 772. It's happening. It's coming on. This show is grabbing the thumbs up train right now. You got to love this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I found my resident financial advisor for life. His name is Uncle Bruce. Hey, gross. Dober Mamba, thanks for a few from a few minutes ago. Right on. Daniel. What was that? Oh gosh, what happened? What did I do? Oh, what did I do now? What did I do? I hit something. I can't remember what I did. I did something. Oh, Daniel rhymes with Daniel. That's right. Wally's World, where we all have. What's a VGAC RN? I'm getting paid June 1. What's VGRC RN? What? Mark, are you new here, Mark? I'm not sure what's going on. Standing by to provide tech support. PCAS 2 for you and 1 for me. Okay. Thank you, everybody. I think Drew, note to self, do not shower at Carlos's house. My morning routine, get up, stretch, make coffee, and give Bruce a thumbs up. Now, you see, Gregor, you got it down perfectly. You've got the pattern figured out, and you've got it nailed down, and I respect that. A man who knows what he has to do every day of his life. This is beautiful. Fleet, you know it. Unfortunately, it doesn't let me thumbs up again when I change the hair. No, only once per device. Anyway, thank you. Kevin is my second device. There you go. Beautiful, Sharon. Beautiful job. Ashley, VGAC equals me plus GlaxoSmithKline, my happy dance. That's right. Sean and Wendy, God is amazing. That is for your anniversary from last week from me and Sean, PayPal. Enjoy, a little late, but we are so happy you are funny. Thank you guys so much for that, PayPal, and being here and doing this. Thank you. We survived. We survived our anniversary. Yeah, I survived it. It's all good. I'll go to my laptop real quick. Waffle, now you're talking, buddy. Uncle Bruce getting naked short likes. Only I could have liked multiple times. I could hit constantly for a whole minute. A thumb it up to 1,000. right now. What's up with VGAC right now? That's what you're talking about, or you're asking me about. Well, VGAC right now, it's $9.98. What? Buy it now. Get in there. Buy options. Can't buy options in the aftermarket, but not new right now is right now. I know. How do I know all this stuff? Mark Ferguson, MBA, smack. All right, Mark Ferguson, MBA. Okay. We will never get to see the Yoko show. I bought a ticket. Oh my! Like I carried over in my laptop. Carried over in my laptop. We need to make Uncle Bruce an acronym key. No Yoko. Kayla, what did I miss? Actually, nope. I don't tell me. Don't tell me what I missed. I put a second thumbs up in the mail. USPS estimates delivery between 10 days and lost under a cow. ABVs are different for Uncle Bruce. PTRN taking notes. Oh gosh, here come the codes. 798 thumbs ups. We're only 202 away from 1,000. 799 thumbs ups. Only 201 away from 1,000. 800 thumbs ups. Only 200 away from 1,000. This is great. 800 thumbs ups. There are 642 people watching right now. A bunch of you are firing up other devices, and that's why those counts are going up, I bet you. That's probably what's happening. We're getting more people watching because you who are here are firing up your other devices so you can give me thumbs ups on your other devices, and I appreciate it because we're at 804 thumbs ups right now. We're only 196 away from 1,000 thumbs ups, and I thank you. Please tell everyone you know that to say, hey, you got to do me a favor. I'm watching this guy on YouTube. He's just great. And we're trying to help him out with 1,000 thumbs ups today. And I need you to do me a favor. I need you to watch the whole show from the beginning. But right now, if you just go into the show live right now, he's live on the air, and he's begging people to help him out with some thumbs ups. He's got 810 right now. He's 290 away from 1,000 thumbs ups. He's trying to get to 1,000 with only 642 people watching it live. This is a feat that will require incredible deft skill and assistance and help. And so all of you go to your Facebook page and tell all your friends, you got to help me right now. Drop what you're doing. Stop everything. Get your butt over to Traveling with Bruce. And while you're at it, tell them to subscribe to his channel because he needs subscribers too. And there's 820 thumbs ups now. He needs to get to 1,000. And then subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And then start watching Uncle B religiously 5 hours a day. That's all you have to do to help out this YouTube. Little things, really. It's how do I turn on my MacBook Pro? Don't ask me. I don't know. Ashley, besides Carlos talking about his DNA and his tile, and Michael causing Uncle Bruce to make unusual noises. Uncle Bruce's confusion of price target and right now. What a show. I mean, right there, that's worth a thumbs up. And that's why you got to subscribe to this channel because confusion reigns supreme with this boomer right here. Got my likes in from my business Google account. Oh, good. Larry Titus is my mouse crud hero. Titus, you are the man. We can get more thumbs. I'm going to start asking people in the cold cuts aisle to borrow their phones. I need more thumbs right now. There you go. Just borrow your friend's phone for a second. Come on over here. Thumbs up and then give him the phone back. I'll make him subscribe too. Larry from Reddit. While we were waiting for GameStop, Bruce said, hey kids, I got some SPAC rockets too. See, that's what Wally's World, great song by Foreigner. Mouse Crud Hero. Mouse Crud Hero. I knew Bruce before he was famous, says Gregory. I bet you did. Ashley, Kayla, you forgot the bagel ring toss in the steam room. Have that one for the list. Add that one in there. Wally's World. Oh my gosh, please do. But someone has to record it. Oh, giving Bruce thumbs ups is the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. There you go, Larry. Bruce Crud Hero, Mouse Crud Hero. Name for a new band? Mouse Crud Hero. I cut my thumbs off to send them in the mail to you, but now I can't grab the handle on my mailbox, so I can't even mail it. You're not even asking the kids to take a $5 out of mom's purse and mail it to you. I'm not even doing that. I'm not even asking. I'm just asking for a free thumbs up. Mouse Crud Hero with the stars in his eyes. Hi, is Giva there? A Giva thumbs up. I watch Yoko Remix daily, and Bruce losing it on the Mouse Crud. It's priceless. Has Jen given you a thumbs up? Oh yes. Oh, absolutely. I'm considering telling YouTube to include as well a toes up key That would help and be innovative. Now you see now that there, thinking the minute the minute I sign on to the channel, I put a thumbs up. So let's go, people, right there. Wally, I'm ready. Kayla, my Jen knows. SB, I started smashing my face into the keyboard to try to get more thumbs up, but I'll have accomplished this making the world more blurry, and my keyboard is now wet. That's not good. Eddie, you were like my mother, left her phone here. One more thumbs ups. See, there you go. Your mom and dad go out of town for the weekend, grab their phones, give a thumbs up. 834 thumbs ups are here right now. We are 166 away. We're only 166 thumbs ups away. This is nothing. 166. Heck, I was begging for thumbs ups at the 500 mark. This is 166. We're so close to getting 1,000 thumbs ups. Keep those thumbs ups coming in. 834 are here now. It's incredible. Grab your friend's phone and find this channel, make them subscribe, and give me that thumbs up. And let's get this going. This is exciting stuff. Oh, this is good stuff. Thank you, all of you, so much for being here and helping out this old school YouTuber as he's trying to make a go of it. Oh, it used to be so easy, but it's not that easy anymore. I got to tell you. Oh, thank you guys. All of your help is so appreciated. Thumbs up city. That's what we need right now. Thumbs ups. Keep them coming in. 843. 9 more have come in. 157 away from the promised land of 1,000 thumbs ups. We've got 20 minutes to get them. Can we get that many thumbs ups from all of you out there? Someone who knows somebody. I know a guy. SB, I like your tactics, Larry. Can you resend your crud message to Uncle Bruce to share with the new boilers, bagelers? This is the stock channel. We need the 10-for-1 split on the thumbs up option. Uncle Bruce trying to shut off his new Tesla. Off, sleep, power off. Jen's reply, who are you yelling at, dear? When my son was 10, he cut his hair in a cul-de-sac. Sorry, kind of like Uncle Bruce. He wore a hat and walk off to teen girls, take off his hat and say, "Hey, what's up, girl?" A friend paid him per girl. Anything for money. How about that? Wait, I forgot to subscribe her too. I got to subscribe to her too. I got to get her subscribed to your channel. There you go. Thank you. Oh my gosh. How are you doing with the thumbs ups on the summary videos that you post? I don't even know. Let me take a look. I'll tell you right now. That's a very good question. I appreciate that. Let me take a look at my analytics on my own phone here, and let me take a peek here, and let's see, where can I do that? I think I can do that if I go over here and I go over there. And then if I go over there, I can go over there. And then I end up going over there and seeing that over there. And then, like, for example, the show last night, I did a video last night, stock markets questions for Uncle Bruce that I did, the question and answer one. I had 2,200 views on that video, 24 questions, 193 thumbs ups, and 14 thumbs downs. So, 2,200 people, 193 thumbs ups. Not kind of the home run I'd like, but it is what it is. That's how it comes in. I did a video a couple days ago called SPAC Merger News on IPOE and stuff. 4,300 views, 319 thumbs ups. AT&T Discovery Merger, 3,687 views, 259 thumbs ups. Viewer questions for Uncle Bruce, 3,600 views, 254 thumbs ups. How to write covered calls, 1,980 views, 110 thumbs ups. Not that great. I do what I can. Here's one, how to survive a market sell-off. 4,999 views, 407 thumbs up. So, sometimes they work out okay. But, thumbs ups are what I need. As many as I can get. That helps the channel get discovered. Super Lemon has gave me a thumbs ups. Yoko has entered the chat. I'm off to work tomorrow and looking forward to Friday Power Hour. 2 clicks right. Thank you. Wally's World. I embarrass her every time we used to go out to the bar with any band playing, grab an empty pitcher from a bar. I like to call it money for the band. Great way to literally meet everybody. You see, there you go. 850 down, 550 to go. Are we that close? 866, 134 away, 134 away from making it to 1,000. Steve, no, when GameStop and these SPACs pop, you won't be worried about getting 1,000 likes. You'll be getting 10,000 plus. John, Steve, you're a cat. Carlos, Bruce is going to start breaking thumbs if he doesn't get any more thumbs ups. Kayla, Wally's World. It's good to have someone to laugh with. Blessings. Kayla, we got watermelons going. Where were all you guys when Jeffrey Tobin was having computer problems? Oh, man. 2 clicks, right? I already started a big ass iPhone. Lance, he made $200. Little hustler. Shrug. Joe, is this going to be on a quiz? John Van, oh yeah. Kayla, that's classic. Smiling, easy. That was easy. It's so easy.
That was easy.
How many thumbs ups now? 866. 134 thumbs ups away. We have 16 minutes to go to get now. 867. 133 thumbs ups in 16 minutes. That's what we need. We have 566 people hanging on for the end, wondering if we're going to make it. The thrill, the agony, the tension, the everything is the suspense. Is he going to make it? 568 people are here. 867 thumbs ups have come through. We need 1,000 thumbs ups. 133 to go. Can it be done? 869 are now in. 131 left to go. 565 people are here. 569 people are here now. 869 thumbs ups are in. Watching the 870 are in. We need 130 thumbs ups. 569 people watching. 566. We scared 3 away. 870 thumbs ups are here right now. Thank you, everybody. Nope, it's my hustle. Band request cost me a whole picture on stage full of cash. Tubin should be used as a verb for what that guy did. Jay Ray, I walked in on our son, and he was a Tubin. Larry Titus, I hear Yoko warming up. Yeah. Jay Ray laughing out loud. I have twitchy thumbs, selling off stuff to buy more SPACs. 2 clicks, right? Yoko. We want Yoko. We can be pretty scary. Wally, the best to get are the ones on dates. To impress them, money really comes out. Lead singer and bass player living with their parents. We need to help them. Thumbers ups. Buy and hold. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Resident Fleet. Uncle Bruce, did you know that you can make your Tesla dance? Easter egg. T-Bone laughing out loud. J. Ray. Brad was tubing in Fast Times at Ridgemont High. Waffle. Yoko is under the bed like the Grudge. SB. How many dong does thumbs convert to? Oh, I don't know. Where are we at now? 881 thumbs ups. 119 away from 1,000 thumbs ups. There are 557 people watching right now. 881 in the bin for thumbs ups, and we are 119 away from making it to 1,000. Wow, I wonder if that can happen. I wonder if we can actually make it. 892, 118 to go. It's so close. We are so close to getting 1,000 thumbs ups. I don't know. I just don't know. Aftermarket quotes. GameStop 169.88. AMC at 12.59. IPOE at 18.38. VGAC at 9.98. Gores Holdings 13.07 in the aftermarket. It's doing pretty good. Fortress Value 9.98. Starboard 9.90. Vector 9.96. Snapsite 9.90. Fifth Wall Acquisition 10.64. That's where we're at right now. Live thumbs ups, 890 now, 890, 110 away, 110 thumbs ups away. Guys, it's working. You are finding people to give me thumbs ups. They're finding their second devices, their third devices, and they're hitting the button, and it's coming in, and I thank you so much. Jen and I, we thank you very much. 892, they're coming in, 892 thumbs ups. Thank you so much. My entire family operate under the assumption that I know anything about computers. Every time they call, all I can do is Google their problem. Rich, Uncle Bruce, after IPOE and Gores, which is the next merger? FAII and VGAC. They're happening. Just got back. What did I miss? We're trying to get thumbs ups mutated. John Van, Bruce, I tried on my other device, but for a thumbs up, but I'm about as smart as you with computers. Resident Fleet, Uncle Bruce, what time is it? Thumbs ups time. Colin, we'll be right back. It's got 12 minutes to go. I can see on my clock. It's on the top corner now. 12 minutes to go. Needless to say, my Jen isn't very ever impressed. I still love her like no other. Two clicks right. Yoko singing "Fly Like an Eagle." Let's go thumbs ups. The ice cream is melting. Larry, Uncle Bruce, watch out. Yoko is behind you. Yoko is coming right now. Watch out. What do we got now? We have 897 thumbs ups. 899. 101 away from 1,000. We are coming into the last 100 now. It's happening. 899 on the thumbs ups count are here. 542 people are watching this show live. Tell everybody you know. We need 100 thumbs ups. That's all we need. Just 100 thumbs ups. 541 of you. If 1 in 5 of you knows anyone that can give us a thumbs up, we got it. We're at 900 right now. We're 100 away from doing it. 904. 96 thumbs ups away from 1,000. Oh my gosh. It's like happening here. 537 people. We got 905 thumbs ups, 95 to go to make it to 1,000 thumbs ups. 906 now. Another one has come in. Oh, this is good stuff. We're so close. We can just taste 1,000 thumbs ups. We have 11 minutes to go. Can we do it? Oh, and make sure they subscribe at the same time. Yoko. Oh no, I've just Googled computer. Why the face? Come on, 110. We just swiped an old man's phone and he was like, what? Gave it back and he couldn't catch me. IPO is my only green stock ATM. We have deserved a Yoko gig today, Uncle Bruce. Or fly like a beagle, a Hondo. Come on, guys, smack that thumbs up button for Bruce. I'm getting live likes, updates, like watching a stock price. Colin, we need a ticker. I'd be, what was that? We need a ticker. I help Uncle Bruce, like, go green, guys. Oh my gosh. I'd be catching them all at the Red Kettle on the way if they were Christmas. Who is it? Fifth Wall, AQ merging with? That is Smart Rent, merging with Smart Rent from Scottsdale. Carlos M, you need to behave, laughing out loud. Merging with Smart Rent, going to be a winner of that one. We've got now 915 thumbs ups. We are 85 away from getting 1,000 thumbs ups. 85 is all we need now. We have 518 people here. Find somebody, call somebody, text somebody. Whatever you got to do, let's make this happen. 917 thumbs ups. 918 thumbs ups, 82 to go, and we've got 1,000 thumbs ups for this show. 919 in, 81 to go. Just 81. We're 79 left. We're at 921. 79 more, and we got 1,000 thumbs ups. Only 79 thumbs ups away. This is you can feel it. What's going to happen? I just feel so good. 9 minutes though. We got 9 minutes left. We really need that. Oh, guys, help me out. Thank you. Let's see. Thumbs, ticker, danger, ticker, YKNO. Laughing out loud, damage. What is the Fifth Element SPAC I bought? What is this Fifth Element SPAC? I know what you're talking about. What platform are guys and girls in the UK using? I'm in eToro currently, but feel it's limiting some of the C SPACs are not available. Yeah, I don't know, mutated. I'm not sure on this one. Resident Flea 921. Buy the what is Yoko home today? You'll shoot your eye out, little ticker boy, Jim. Did we miss something? When did Gores announced vote for merger? Does someone know? We haven't heard that. No, it's just moved all by itself. It just went all by itself. It had a pretty darn good date today on that stock. I gotta say, Gores Holdings closed at 13.11. Is right now 12.97 on the aftermarket, but don't pay attention to that. Had a good day today. A little more, guys. Hit that like button. How we doing now? How many we got? Where are we at? 927 thumbs ups. We are 928, 72 to go. 72 thumbs ups left to go. We're at 928. They keep coming in. 928 thumbs ups. Keep those thumbs ups coming. It's Mental Health Awareness Month. Call your friends. Pretend you care. Then just get them to give Bruce a thumbs ups. That's for their mental health. It's been 925. They say, damn it, Jim. Mustard Nation, Mutate Nation. I use HL for my stocks. It's expensive, but you get what you pay for. T-Bone, hit the down thumb button twice, then the thumbs up button for more likes. There you go. Eddie, Mutated Nation UK. I use D or whatever it is. Okay, we have 930 thumbs ups. 70 left to go. Just 70 left to go, and then someone just took 3 away. Well, we're at 927 now. So there's a little bit of screwing around going on. We have 497 people still here, holding out for hope against hope at 932 thumbs ups. Can we get 68 more? Can we get 68 more to make it to the promised land? We're just like this. We're so we're so close. I don't know, guys. Help me out. Get me to 1,000 thumbs ups if you can. This is a feat of feats. We have 7 minutes left in the day. We're at 932. We need 68 more. I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know. Free Yoko. Come on, guys. 6 minutes. We got to help them out. Do you feel good about writing options on all your SPACs? I would not write options now on any of them. Not a single one. I'd be long call contracts, but not writing options right now. 9:33. We have 70 left to go. 7 minutes. That's a sign. That is like 10 a minute, I mean, every 6 seconds, we get a thumbs up every 6 seconds. We're thumbing for the folks that had to leave early. That's right. We gotta, there's people who left they've been shirking their responsibilities. I gotta tell you, this show right here, this broadcast, we have already had 4,500 views on this broadcast. 4,500 people have been here, and there's only 900 and something thumbs ups. We're at 936, and we've had 4,400 people come through here, and they didn't leave a thumbs up. They're just kind of leaving. They don't do it. We need help. 61 thumbs ups to go, people. Just 61. That's all we need. We got 6 minutes, and we only need 61 thumbs ups. Oh, would that be great if we could get enough thumbs ups to get us to 1,000 thumbs ups. We're so close. We can just taste it. Tell Yoko to start clearing her crud out of her vocals. Alex, Mutated Nation, Hargreaves, Lansdowne, Stocks and Shares, ISA is what I use. There you go. What can I say? Thank you, everybody, for helping out. 942 thumbs up. 58 left to go. Guys, we're coming in. 9:45 now. 55 left to get. Only 55 thumbs ups left to get as we're coming in here on the last 5 minutes of the day. 54 left to get for 1,000 thumbs ups. Oh gosh, people, help us out. Find people to come in here. Spare some thumbs, please. To be fair, a couple left and went to get their best geek squad to fix your computer. Got to run Uncle Bruce Fun Show. Thanks, Jay Ray. Not leaving Uncle Bruce. It's not like leaving a tip at the restaurant. Sorry, meant to call. Sally Struther says for as little as 1 thumb per day, you can help a poor retired Canadian learn how to use his computer. That's right. You can help this guy out. John Van Wilson, there's some lazy and there's some just don't get it. Thumbs up, folks. Bruce, well, he's so close. Get there. 1,000 club for us. Really, we need more believers. Damn it, Jim. Two clicks right. We got 4 years of folks. I give a like before I even hear you, usually during the ad. Carlos, at least get him to 971. Then there's 29 down thumbs. That'll add him to 1,000. Gregory, people who leave without giving Bruce a thumbs up should be also on death row. There you go, right there. There's a comment. We're at 947 now. 53 away from 1,000 thumbs ups with 4 minutes to go. So close. We're at 948, 52 away. 52 thumbs ups away from 1,000 thumbs ups at the end of this show. Folks, we're at 951. Oh my gosh, come on in if you can help us out. Help us out. 952 down. Oh my gosh, we could just, I don't know if we're going to make it. I don't know if there's enough steam on this iron to get us over the hump. We're trying. We're trying. 2 clicks right. People who leave, whatever say. He old school. Larry, we're doing everything we can. Z, hi, I'll join for the last minute. Did my part. Z, thank you. Wally's World, we need to crowd strike YouTube's algorithmic way. 1,000 is the only way. SLG, Sharon, Gregory Allen, or at least they should be slapped with a herring. That's right, we got to slap with a herring, just like the guys on Monty Python, fish slapping. Damn it, Jim, somebody get Bruce a wig and some sunglasses. Fire up the mic. John Van, my Indian name is Two Dogs. Jing, neat thumbs. Uncle Bruce, we really tune in for the Yoko Ono, the thumbs are so close. My proctologist gave me 2 thumbs ups, which I did not appreciate. Waffle, I'm sure people will get over 1,000 when they watch it later. Chrome Punisher, I did my part last minute, laughing out loud. Where are we at now? We've got 960 thumbs up, 40 to go. Just 40 thumbs ups away from 1,000 thumbs ups for the show. Oh, 40, just 40. Oh my God, we have 30 thumbs downs. We have 962 on the upside. Oh my gosh, between the two of them, we're at 960, 991. Between the two, we have 991 total thumbs, but 39 to go to get 1,000 thumbs ups. Oh, wow. We are working on the last 2 minutes of this show right now. The last couple of minutes in the thumbs of the Angels show side song on the screen for more thumbs. If you don't like make 1,000, you'll get in the after hours. Wally's World, thumbs up for Bruce. I am literally laughing out loud. I'm dying here. Wally, I wish I could give 2. 39 to go, said Resident Flea. 8 thumbs to go, says Carlos. Wally, don't back down. 40 to go. We are the thumb fighters. We are the thumb fighters. I came here to chew bubblegum and get thumbs ups, and he's fresh out of bubblegum. Oh my gosh. We're at 970 thumbs ups. 30 to go. Oh my gosh. 30 to go. We have 30 down. That's a total of 1,000 combined. But we really need to get 1,000 thumbs ups to really have a 4-digit on that, that 1K handle. Oh, if we could just do it. We got a minute to go. We're coming into the last minute here. If anyone's holding back, please come on in with some thumbs ups, folks. We need some more. Sharon is too soft. Bruce, the other night I super glued my thumb and forefinger together. Don't worry, everything's okay. It's all good. Deb, come on, wait, Uncle Bruce, an extra 5 minutes. You'll get them. John, I'm making homemade chicken noodle soup. Sharon, 970, 30 to go. I logged in as my alternative account and gave the thumbs up. Daniel, you're the man. John Van, they live. Grab a stranger, borrow their phone, smack the thumbs up, and tell them hi. Larry, we got to give this guy thumbs ups. John Van, I love Rowdy Rodder Piper. Way to go. We're at 972 now. We're 28 away from 1,000 thumbs ups, and there's 31 thumbs down. So that's 1,004, 1,003, 973 now. 24 to go, 27 to go. So we're over 1,000 combined, but I'd like to hit 1,000 thumbs ups here. 974 now, 26 thumbs ups away from 1,000. 977, 23 thumbs ups away from making this show a successful 1,000 thumbs up show. If we can, it is an emergency. I need to borrow your phone. I would like to hear the Facts of Life theme song first, please. Make more accounts. Wally's beautiful, Larry, just beautiful. 975, 977. They're doing the countdown with me. We're so close to 1,000 thumbs ups. It's incredible. 980, 20 away. 20 thumbs ups away with 458 people watching. They're coming in to watch. People are coming in to join us. We're in extra time. We have injury time now, like a soccer game. We have 5 minutes of injury time. That's what's happening. United Thumbs. Let's go, Thumbs. The bells are ringing. Start a singing. I love this. I must get a desk job. The 2 clicks right. How are we doing now? We have 983 thumbs up, 17 away from 1,000. We're in extra time. 985, 15 to go. 15 to go. We're in extra time. Injury time here. 986, 14 away from 1,000 thumbs up. Oh man, it could be. That was easy. It could be that easy. 989, 11 thumbs ups away from 1,000 thumbs ups. 994, 6 to go. 6 to go. 994 have come in here, 6 away from 1,000. 998. 2 thumbs ups away from making it. Now we're at 997. It says 1,000. Do I believe that or do I not trust you? 1,000 thumbs ups, it says. Maybe we get a little insurance on top of that. This is pretty exciting stuff. Thank you guys so much. Oh, Wally, having a good night, guys. I got 357. No, it's not too late. 982 for when your computer was injured. See ya, my favorite plea. They lived. That was too young to comprehend how bad it was. Only 11, 988. 2 more. I've logged into all my accounts. Jeez, Bruce, you are so demanding. Let's get it. 4th and goal on the 40-yard line. 998, 1,000. Bingo. Woohoo. Cheers. Easy. We did it. Buzzer. That was easy. Hey, Bruce, can you show your picks again? Thanks again. Oh, no. Well, damn. Well done. Oh, we thumbs ups that. Oh, that was easy. Go away. I'm tired. 2 thumbs. I was picking up what you threw out on bubblegum. 1,000. How the hell does he do it again and again and again? How does he do it? We're at 1,000 plus thumbs ups and 31 down because of you guys. Unbelievable. 471 people are here. That means like 30 people have added to the show just to help us get over 1,000. You got to love that. Thank you, everybody, so much for helping us out here. Extra time has come and gone. I got to pack this in. I'm so tired. Final quotes on the aftermarket. As I see it, 170.14 on GameStop and 170 now. 12.55 on AMC. It's unchanged in the after hours. SoFi IPOE is 1838, down 2 pennies on the aftermarket. Gore's at 12.95. It was closing at 13.11 today. We had a good day. I'm not complaining. Guys, thank you so much for this. So this is the way. Where are these thumbs ups coming from? Synthetic thumb, says G. Eddie, yay, yes. Yoko will have to wait another day. I'm going to get my daughter's phone. Woohoo! Have a great weekend, Bruce and Jen. Well, I'll be on tomorrow, but yes, you have a good weekend with your anniversary. You're not joining us tomorrow. You have a great 38th. Thank you, Sharon. Go take a shower, Uncle Bruce. We'll see you tomorrow. GameStop 170. Have a good night, everybody. Uncle Bruce Chat. Uncle Bruce Chat, have a great night. Thank you, everybody. See you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow. Great job, Uncle Bruce. Take care of yourself. Chillax. Have a great rest of your evening. I did like the thumbs ups. I had like thumbs ups. Sharon, happy 38th to you. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Jen and I are going to decide whether or not to go out for a Timmy's coffee. It's a kind of a cold day. We might need a Timmy's coffee just to stay warm. Might get a bagel to get some extra energy. Not that I need it, but then again, we always need a bagel, don't we? My work here is done. Thank you, Gregory, so much. Catch you later, T-Bone. Yeah, see you all in the morning. Drew, you bet. Larry, thank you. Have a great evening. Fergan, yippee, ki Resident, the flea, thanks. Sharon says, okay, guys, have a great night. See you tomorrow morning at 8:30 for the first of our 2 live shows. It's Friday tomorrow. We're going to have some fun tomorrow. Later on, let's have a big day tomorrow. Options expire tomorrow. Oh, it's going to be fun. Sharon is Karen. Thank you, everybody. Bye, all, and be blessed. Take care. Bye for now. We'll see you.